Hello dear Scorpio, welcome to my channel and this is your fourth week reading for the month of August. This is going to be exclusive love reading plus career reading. It is going to start from 18th August till the 24th. So if you have any question on your mind, please think about it and then watch this video so that you can get your answers and get that clarification that you want. And if you still don't get it, I do have personal readings available with me and I'll share more information with you in the end. So let's begin. First, we are going to begin with your career. Your cards are already out. You've got the Six of Moons and the Chariot card. First of all, I do see that you're looking in the past. There's something in the past that you're missing. It can be a simple childhood, not a very expensive childhood, right? Or somebody to take care of you. Now you don't have that person anymore, or that safety and security in your mind, which is not there. I do see that currently, if your life was stuck, if money was not moving, right? If loan was not getting passed, if you were not getting any job or promotion or appreciation of some sort, now your life will start moving forward. With the chariot here, I do see positive movement and forward movement happening in your life. I also see that some of you will be traveling in relation to your work. I also see that you could have a traveling job also, which takes you like a couple of hours and you have to go to different city, state. I also see that you could be getting new opportunities or you're involved with opportunities away from your home in a different country as well. I also see that your job involves foreign trade, incoming foreign money, or you have foreign clients. There is a connection of foreign as well for some of you. I do see that positive news is coming this week. A lot of changes are also coming this week. Probably you are moving abroad. Probably you are getting a new job offer. So if you were waiting for a change or positive news, this week is going to give you a lot of positive news. So please stop looking in the past because A, you cannot go back. B, you cannot change it. So there's nothing to look back in the past. Yes, you can look at the past, but if you're going to regret the past in some way, if you're going to look and miss the past in a way that, oh my God, I don't have that thing now, then your life will probably always be miserable, right? Because you cannot bring back something. You cannot bring the lost house, the lost car, the parents, the grandparents back, right? That stability, security, or simple life that you had in your childhood. So the only way forward is to look forward, be happy, be thankful, work hard today so that tomorrow can be easy for you. Okay. Now let's see what's happening in your love life. Very complicated, I must say. You have got the Six of Spades and the Lady card, which tells me that you have a very giving and kind energy. Probably you have always been the one who's giving more in your relationships. You have a pretty person with you, a handsome guy or a pretty lady who looks very perfect, like who's very good at their jobs, at their business or work that they do. They also have very good personality. They're good looking, but they can be intimidating as well. So, A, if you're single and you have somebody on your mind, they can be intimidating to you, and but inside they are very approachable. And if you are single, there is somebody around you who's watching you very closely, who want to approach you, give you that proposal, but your energy is so intimidating that they're not able to come to you. Also, people who are in a relationship or marriage, there are some more cards that have come out for you, Seven of Suns and the Death card. So some of you who are in a no contact situation, I do see that that the chances of reconciliation are there. A change is coming. I also see that a new change or a new relationship is also coming for some of you. I also see that there have been a lot of struggles or a lot of delays in your relationship. Probably the marriage is not happening on time, right? Or the fights are happening and the relationship has not been smooth or the marriage has not been smooth. There is success, okay, which is waiting for you. But if you think that you will not put any efforts and you will get the answer, it's not going to happen like that. You will have to give in a lot of work, a lot of efforts from your side, maybe even change or transform yourself, change your mindset, or change according to the person you are with in a marriage, or completely according to the in-laws, right? There is a change, there is a transformation which is required from you in order for you to find or get that success in your relationships. If you do that, then maybe you can revive this relationship, then maybe you can transform it into a happy relationship. Otherwise, this relationship can completely end or die, okay, or you will always be miserable if you don't change. So please make sure that you're taking this message. Okay, there are multiple messages because all of you are going through a pretty different situation. Singles are going through a different situation, relationship people are going through a different situation, and married people are going through a different situation. So please take what resonates with you, take the message and apply it so that your life is smoother, especially this week. So I hope you have got the clarity. If not, I do have personal readings available, like I said, so you can always book a personal reading with me. My one question starts at 215 rupees. If you think you have more than one question, or if you need an audio video call session, that is also available for 25 minutes and 45 minutes. Other than that, I also have spiritual counseling sessions. If you feel low and very dull in your life, you don't have any mentor, you need guidance, you don't have trustworthy people around you, then you can always book a spiritual counseling session and share this video with all your friends and family who are going through a tough time so that they can talk to somebody. With the help of your guardian angels, I will be giving you a remedy here. Apart from that, I do have various packages available for love, for single, for friendship, and for career as well. Here also you'll get a free remedy to remove the blockages from your life. If you want to book a separate ritual, you can do that as well. The prices and everything are very budgeted. So please check out the description box or my bio for various services available on my channel, and you can directly email me to make any booking or know any price, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram handle, the Moksha Tarot. There also you can directly DM me and book. So please follow me on Instagram. If you like this video, if you resonated with it, please hit the like button and subscribe so that you can get this video in advance. Okay, and you are prepared as to what is to come and how to handle it. So yes, this was a powerful reading, I must say. So take care of yourself, and I'm going to see you very soon. Bye bye.